Welcome back, guys. This is Leland bringing you a TA of Alpha Finance Lab. Before we get started, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification because you don't want to miss out on these important updates. I am not a registered financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm simply sharing the data with an Alpha Finance Lab with you. Please make your own decisions and trade at your own risk. My book is available. If you guys want to feel more confident, more comfortable within your trades, go buy this book. You want to learn how I do TA? Go buy this book. This book has all my favorite indicators, charts, patterns. Use this book with my live streams, with coming into the Telegram and the Discord, and you're going to be trading like a god. Please join the Discord, guys. If you haven't already, it's an amazing place. Amazing place for you to talk about pretty much any coin you want. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Graph, Orchid, Nucipher, it all goes on and on and on. If you guys want a different coin to talk about, we will add it. We definitely will add it. A lot of beautiful things happening within this chat. Come join the Discord. Links are down below for the book and the Discord. Okay, so if you haven't seen my last video on Alpha, I'm going to go ahead and just do a recap real quick. We have this beautiful price channel that we are working in with right now. It's been happening since the beginning of November back in 2020. And you can see we made a support, a resistance, a support, a resistance, a support. And in between that is something we call the heart line. And this heart line acts as resistance and support as well. You can see we got the bounce right here. The bounce, we came back, tested it for support. Tested for resistance, back to resistance again, above, turned it into support. So this is a very crucial line. It's very beautiful. I love how this chart looks. It's extremely easy to trade with. Very easy to trade with. It's very simple, very cut and dry. Here and here. Very simple. Okay, Alpha Finance Lab, if we go to coinmarketcap.com, you can see that the max supply for Alpha is 1 billion. There's only 17 in circulation, 17% in circulation right now. But look at this market cap, $317 million market cap. That's very small. If you guys don't know, that's a very, very small market cap, which makes this coin move quite aggressively. If you watched my video last time, we were talking about Alpha Finance Lab over here at $1.40. We're at $1.40. We just talked about that. We just got this bounce. We got this bounce, not once, but we did it twice. Twice right there, putting in a very nice W formation. W for win. Since then, we came back for the retest. See how we got denied over here at the 382. That was $1.72. You can see in the past that it was resistance, 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 resistance all throughout back here. Even right here. Very crucial area of resistance that we needed to get through. We came back. We tested the 236 here at $1.43. Looks like a little hat. That's very cute. So since then, we've gotten above. Look at this resistance all back here, and we just got above it, and we're testing it as support. Look where we hit our resistance. Resistance was right here at the 0.5, $1.96, and all throughout back here was support. And you can see that it started putting in some kind of head and shoulders pattern over here, which gave us a breakout to the downside. That's okay. This is a part of the formation, and it's looking really good. Okay, the next area that I'm looking for is we need to break this 0.5 on the resistance. Getting above that and testing the 1618 is very bullish. We will be on our way. I don't know if you can see my lines. I've made the parallel channel very faint. The opacity's dropped really low. Let me just bring this up for you guys. It gets kind of messy. That's why I put it in the background so it wasn't so much. But here we are. This is the area that I'm expecting for us to come up and touch around that last all-time high, which is about $3. Breaking $3 is going to be a cakewalk once you get above the 786. Get above the 0.5, turn it into resistance, come up, and I wouldn't be surprised if we got rejected right here. I wouldn't be surprised if we got rejected. That is okay if that happens. If we get rejected over here at the $2.20, we could possibly be coming back to the $1.96, even possibly down here to the 172. Remember, we have a major area of support over here, a major area of support. So we could come back over here and play with this line a lot. Do I foresee that happening? Maybe. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball that tells me exactly where it's going to be going. But what I do know is that once we break through the 618 and get up to the 786, this is bullish. This is our zone right here. If you watch my videos, you know that this is the doorway to further upside. Break the 786 right here. Retest it, come back, and you're going to be blasting off. You're going to be breaking all-time highs. You'll run into some resistance over here at this median, at this heart line for this parallel channel. Expect that to happen. Let me just redo that real quick. So that's what I'm looking for in the short term. We need to get above $1.96. Let's just call it $2. That's going to be a psychological resistance for it anyways. $2. Once we do that, guys, we're gone. We're going to be going up. We're going to be breaking. I do expect alpha to be breaking all-time highs. With the way this chart looks and how beautiful it is, and how do I know that? Why do I say that? Well, let's take a look at our MACD. Look at our MACD. This is on a daily, okay? We already printed our red on our histogram over here, and we're printing our very first green bar right here. We're getting our cross as we speak. Bullish, 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 bullish. I don't know how much more I can tell you guys how bullish I am on alpha. We're talking about an easy 10x. Easy 10x with this coin by the end of the year. Probably sooner. Probably sooner. That's just my thoughts. Those are my opinions. You have so much room on the RSI to be moving up. You're only sitting at the 57 right now on the RSI. You can run this thing hot, and you know the levels that you like to come up and hit. These levels over here, we're looking at about, where's my line? There it is. The 90 or the 89 on the RSI. You know when we hit that 89 that we have a bit of a pullback. Guys, this is a daily. This is going to take months to play out. I believe this is going to take months. I still think we still have about another month before we come up here and we try to test that 89 on the RSI. When that happens, guys, I guarantee we're going to be up here in this area around $8. Guarantee it. You're like, Leland, come on, man. Can you really guarantee that? Yeah. Based off the data, with the way that this thing looks, if it's respected, and we know that this area is a resistance up here, as we've seen it in the past, multiple times. The past here. It's a very beautiful structure. It's being held up really well. So yes, I do expect that to be happening. Very bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. Okay, we talked about the potential upside. Let's talk about the potential downside. There's an easy stop loss over here. Very easy stop loss. Let me get the... Let's just go back over here, and I'll do it on this chart right here. This is a 4-hour. We're on a 4-hour looking at alpha right now. Okay, your stop losses are going to be this trend line right here. If you break below that trend line, get the retest, you're done. You're out. You want nothing to do with alpha. Very easy, simple, cut and dry. And you're very close. You're not too far away from there. Not too far away from there at all. I don't foresee that happening. This is a very bullish looking coin. I love it. It looks really good. Okay. You break below $1.72, which, by the way, guys, if you're still here, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you were getting value and benefits out of this chart and you want to see more about this chart. Hit the like button. Let me know. I will keep doing this coin if you guys like it. You break $1.72 over here, and you're coming down to 143. That's really close to this support line over here. I wouldn't be surprised if that happened. If we came along, did something like this, and got the breakdown somewhere over here, that's going to be a major area of support. Look where that coincides with the 236 and this parallel channel support line right there. Those are really the lowest levels I'm looking for. $1.34 or possibly, yeah, $1.34 is really the lowest that I'm looking for on this chart. Everything else is upside. Like we talked about, get above the 618, $2.20. Turn that into support, guys, and you better be watching out. You better be watching out because this thing is going to be looking good. You'll probably break through the 786, breaking all-time highs at $3, and then going up here and testing the median, the heart line. Right there. That's what I'm expecting, guys. We're going to keep track of this coin. Thank you for coming by. I really appreciate you guys. And remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.